Hi, welcome. In this video, you're going to learn how to remove background in Photoshop. So let's bring in the image that we want to remove the background from. So for you to be able to do that, you're going to click on File and place Invert. I want to bring in the image of add-in and place it in here. So this is the image that we want to remove the background from. So let's say you have an image that looks like this and you want to get rid of the background from this image. So what you can do is you have to select it. Then at the bottom here, you're going to see remove background. When you click on this is going to do its thing. It's going to get rid of the background from this image without you having to do anything else. This is so powerful in 2024. This is Photoshop 2024. As you can see, we've removed the background from add-in, and now we can do whatever we want with this image on this canvas. This is simply how you can get rid of the background or remove the background from an image like this in Photoshop 2024. If you have any other questions about removing backgrounds, please leave them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. And also subscribe for more videos like this.